Right, find two solutions in between 0 and 360 degrees. So it's degree mode. Sine theta is 0.1466. How do I start? Take the sine inverse, right? Now we know when we take the sine inverse, this is what we studied in that 4.7. The sine inverse only gives us answers in between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, or in between negative 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So we could expect values in either between negative 90 and 0, or between 0 and 90 degrees. If it happens to be between negative 90 and 0, when we do this, we're not really getting an answer. We're going to get a negative angle, and that's not between 0 and 360. In this case, sine's positive. Which quadrant is this answer going to be in? It's got to be in the first quadrant, right? We know that because it's positive, and we only get answers in first or fourth quadrant. So theta equals sine inverse of 0.1466. Theta equals, somebody give it to me, 8.43? Okay, 8.43 degrees. If you could just put it in the calculator, make sure you're getting about the same thing. Degrees, because it says between 0 and 360, right? So now, if I look at the unit circle, and you notice how many times have I so far drawn a unit circle? Almost every problem, right? You should be drawing pictures. I mean, I find it hard to do these things without drawing a picture. So 8.43 degrees is about right there. Which other quadrant would I look to find sine equal to a positive value, right? Remember, sine is y-coordinate. It's positive above the middle, so it would have to be over here. Right? Now, literally, again, the sine is the y-coordinate. It's telling you how far are you above the middle right there. That distance is 0.1466. Right? If I go straight across, there will be another place where the distance the circle is above the middle is 0.1466. And it will have exactly the same angle. So if that's 8.43, then that angle right there is 8.43 degrees. So how can I find 8.43 degrees? How can I find this value? Incorrect. 180 minus 8.43, right? If we're 8.43 degrees short of going all the way around to 180, then this one right there would be 180 minus 8.43 degrees. Say again? 171.57. Now, you could always check your answer there, right? Go back and take the sine of 8.43 degrees and compare it to the sine of 171.57. It better be exact, right? It may not be exactly that, right, because we round it a little bit, but they should be the same as, this should be the same as that. The sine of this equals the sine of that.